What if I told you there is a financial instrument that could turn an ordinary investor into a millionaire faster than you can drink your morning coffee? ETFs have already done this for thousands of people. Welcome to part 3 of our 5-part series on Bitcoin ETFs. Previously, we explored what a Bitcoin ETF is and how it works. Today, we'll discuss ETF popularity and its significance for the cryptocurrency market. Imagine a product combining the simplicity of buying shares with the ability to invest in entire economic sectors. That's what exchange-traded funds or ETFs offer. Their popularity has led to an enormous total asset value. In 2022, they were valued at almost $10 trillion, as if every person on Earth invested around $1,250 in such funds. ETFs are popular due to their simplicity. No need to be a financial expert to invest in them. You buy shares of a fund tracking a specific asset or group of assets, be it technology companies, gold, or Bitcoin. With low fees and transparency, ETFs attract millions of investors worldwide, though their popularity varies by region. Let's look at the numbers. In the United States, one of the largest markets, ETFs manage assets totaling more than $6.4 trillion. According to BlackRock, in the third quarter of 2023, ETFs accounted for between 4.4% and 12.7% of stock and fixed income asset markets, depending on the region. These staggering figures underscore these products' importance in the global financial market. Why does this matter for cryptocurrencies? Exchange-traded funds have proven their effectiveness in traditional markets. If a Bitcoin ETF is approved in the United States, it will open doors for numerous new investors wanting to invest in cryptocurrencies without unnecessary complexities. This could be a true breakthrough, as total assets under management of American ETFs alone exceeded $8 trillion by the end of 2023, with this influx of funds continuing to grow. ETFs are like a convenient gateway to complex investments, allowing even beginners to benefit from assets like Bitcoin. Now, a question for you. What percentage of your investment portfolio would you consider allocating to cryptocurrency ETFs? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications for our next video. We'll discuss why cryptocurrency ETFs are needed and their advantages for investors. See you soon!